Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with weights and biases, quick tutorial step by step clearly. First, open your web browser of choice. Navigate to the Weights and Biases website by typing in wandbi.ai. On the homepage, look for the Sign Up button located in the top right corner. Click on the Sign Up button to proceed. You will be directed to a registration form. Here, you can choose to sign up using your email address or with a GitHub account. If you choose to sign up with your email, enter your email address in the designated field. Next, create a password that meets the specified requirements. After filling in your email and password, click on the Create Account button. If you opt for GitHub, click on the GitHub Sign Up option. You will be redirected to GitHub for authentication. Log in with your GitHub credentials if prompted. Authorize Weights and Biases to access your GitHub account. Upon successful authentication, you'll return to the Weights and Biases dashboard. Once on the dashboard, you may be prompted to set up your workspace. Follow the on-screen instructions to customize your workspace settings. After completing the setup, you can explore the Weights and Biases platform. Congratulations, you are now registered with Weights and Biases. You can start utilizing its features for your machine learning projects. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.